We'll guide you through how to invite members to Asana. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Asana website. Once the website loads, sign into your account using your login credentials. After signing in successfully, open your Asana workspace to access your projects and team settings. When you are inside the workspace, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click your profile photo. A menu will appear with several options related to your account and workspace. From the menu, select Invite Teammates to begin inviting new members to the workspace. After selecting this option, an invitation window will open. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite into the provided field. If you need to invite more than one person, add multiple email addresses as needed. Once all email addresses have been entered, review the invitation list carefully to make sure the correct recipients have been included. After reviewing the list, click Send Invites to send the invitations. Wait a moment while Asana processes and sends the invitations to the recipients. When the invitations have been sent, ask the recipients to check their email inboxes for the invitation message. If necessary, open the members page within the workspace to view information about current and pending members. Review the member list to confirm that the invitations have been issued correctly. At this point, the invitations have been sent successfully. After making changes to the workspace and inviting team members, begin setting up your work by creating a project within the workspace. Once the project has been created, insert a task inside the project so work can be organized properly. After adding the task, continue editing and customizing the workspace according to your needs. You can adjust project details, organize tasks, update information, and make any other changes required within the workspace. This completes the process of inviting teammates and updating your Asana workspace.